In this video, we will show you how to load filament onto the 3D printers that our help desk is equipped with. In Settings, we will click on Load and Unload. After that, we'll increase the temperature. Note that all filaments will be loaded and unloaded at different temperatures. In this case, we're using PLA, so we'll set the temperature to 206. Once we do that, we'll click on the Load button. Once the printer starts heating up the extruder, you wait until the extruder reaches the target temperature. When you see that the extruder has reached the target temperature, you can press the tab and push the filament in until you see the filament extruding.